Hello everyone, welcome back to another random fire question. This time AMO 2018, grade 8, question 13. And I haven't written a question yet, but here it is. How many numbers less than 1000 are perfect squares, which are also 3 times an odd integer? Right? So let's approach this question. Now, for it to be 3 times an odd integer, it has to be an odd square, right? Because odd times odd equals odd. And in this case, one of the odds is 3. And this odd is supposed to be a square. So let's say n squared. So n has to be odd because once again, odd times odd equals odd, right? So we concluded n is odd, which is good. N is odd if n squared is the square. Wanted square like so. So now what we have to simply do is to look at how many are actually a multiple of 3 and how many are less than 1000. So n is limited to be from 1, and also, by the way, n has to be an integer. N is integer. And I'm gonna write it like this. I'm pretty sure, yeah, 32 squared is way over, I think. If you do check 32 squared, I think you get 1024. So yeah, 31 squared is 961. So let's consider which ones are multiples of 3. Now, n has to be odd. So we could have 1 squared doesn't work. So 3 squared works. Now it has to be a multiple of 3, so it goes 3, 6, 9, 12, all the way up to 30. But the evens ones don't work. So there's going to be 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is only 5. So therefore the answer was very simply, let me erase everything, is simply equal to 5 with a ginormous 5 there. And by the way, you have to subscribe so everyone knows more math.